Let's go ahead and get started on this. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I went ahead and got lucky. Got lucky and got a bumper with the fog lights. Ready to go. Got a cool hood from the junkyard. Just a little scuff right there, you know what I'm saying? Can't expect perfect all the time. All right. Got a nice little fender right here. I already threw the bad one away, but still got some stuff to get. The mirror. I don't have to, but I want to change out this whack spoiler. If you didn't know, they got LTZ spoilers and SS spoilers. Like the LTZ from 2009 or 10, they come out, the spoiler comes out like right here. This is like obviously from 2006 and 2008. They got the matching color. They got the matching color trunk. Go back and get that. But no wasting time, let's get it. Let's change all this out and see how it look. Stay tuned. Hold up. Let me get in position.